I think I lied. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Happy World Autism Day, right? April 2nd. Light it up blue. Yes, on that. April is National Autism Awareness Month. And for those of you that don't know, I have two beautiful daughters on the autism spectrum. Sydney is 20 years old. She was diagnosed when she was 3. And Miss Cara Girl, right, who is 16 years old now, and she was diagnosed when she was 5. So, yes, on my beautiful babies, I love them so much, and I did light it up blue today. You will see at the end, right? When I'm doing the morning meeting, oh my goodness. So, yes, I'm rocking some blue and white, right? So, yeah, it's a special month, right? It's a special every day for us, but this month is Autism Awareness Month. So, yes, on that. Now, what am I doing? Oh, this was me just on a humbug, right? Making boiled eggs just to take to work, right? So that's what I was doing. Cracked them all up, right? Took them out the shells, and I'm just putting them in a Tupperware so that I could put them in the refrigerator, and then, I'll take them on into work with me. But yes, on another HelloFresh meal, right? So I forgot again, and I had another one coming, another box, but it was cool in the gang because I need structure, and it's good that I could just go in the refrigerator and grab it, right? And I showed you everything, and of course I put my little twist on some things on what I use. I may add something, may take something away, right? But for the most part, I follow the recipe, right? Very simple. So I cut everything up that I needed, right? Scallions, and I separated the whites and the greens, and I had the ginger and all that rocking, right? These are all the sauces that needed to go into the bowl so that I can get that all mixed up, right? When I say that it was so good. And hubby was like, babe, are you making the meatballs tonight or what? So, yes, on that, threw some panko in there, right? You see, I use my 2 seasonings that I love. Threw some scallions and a little bit of ginger in there. You're going to see that it wasn't quite enough. So I said, let me put a little bit more in there, right? And then I'm going to just scoop them on out. Everything's on the tray rocking. And yeah, it was so good. The girls eat first, and then hubby and I rock, right? So I had a sweet potato and he had the rice, and we were binge watching Everybody Loves Raymond. So yes on that. And back to La Scala Fire. Just out with the ladies from work and celebrating a friend's birthday. So nice little espresso martini to start. Had some cocktails and some appetizers. And yeah, it was really good. I'll meet you at home. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So, morning meeting. I have a few minutes. Sydney's upstairs singing. I don't know if you can hear her. She's having a whole concert in my bedroom. And she said yes, but I know she's singing. It sounded like she answered me. So Kara's doing something. She just called me for me to come up to see that she made her bed, right? So I finished the chip bags. Girl, so the party is this weekend, so I'm looking forward to it. It should be really, really fun. Hubby and I are rocking out, and yeah, it should be fun. I'm trying to think what was going on this week. That was really like my week. You know what I mean? We took a coworker out last night for some cocktails. It was her birthday. Exchanged some gifts. Had a good time. It was not a late night. I was home relatively early, right? So that was fun. I went back to that La Scala place. Remember that night I went out with my other friend That was a good time. So this time it was a coworker. That's what it was her pick. It was her birthday, wherever she wanted to go. So I was cool in the game with that. Hershey's walking around. And what else is happening? The girls are on spring break this week. They go back after Easter, right? Oh my goodness, I can't believe it's Easter this weekend. What are you doing? We're not doing too much. It's very like a low key. I'm just be with my family, and yeah, I don't think we're doing too much. I mean, obviously I'll be making Easter dinner. I don't even know what that I don't even know what that is. Whatever hubby comes back with on his me time shopping, we'll see what's rocking, right? So let me show you what I grabbed this week. The peanut butter and the jelly sprinkles from Walmart. Oh my goodness. So this was, you saw this, right? These were the ones that we grabbed. I think it was in the last video. They smell, I wanted to tell you, they smell just like peanut butter and jelly. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is wild. So I grabbed that. I think I lied. Oh my goodness. Let me tell you, with this mattifying primer from the Dollar Tree. So it was this, and it was the setting spray that I had gotten. And I think I said in the Dollar Tree walkthrough on the shopping channel, right, that this was like not an all day, maybe 4 or 5 hours or so. That's not what happened. So I put this on to set my makeup. It's not mattifying, and that's where I messed up, and that's why the oil started popping out. I did this by itself, fire, all day. I love it. The bottle is so pretty, pumps right out, right? So I wanted to tell you guys that if you wanted to grab it up. I need to mattify, to blur. Anything that says that, that's what I'm rocking, right? Found the Brazilian Soul Wipes, right, from the Dollar Tree. They're sealed. I didn't open them. Let me see how they smell. You better stop it on that. Oh my goodness, they smell just like everything else. So yes on the wipes. So I ran to Target, and the only other thing that I grabbed I wanted to show you was the Wild Cherry Pepsi gloss. Miss Girl, it's so cute, and it smells just like Pepsi, cherry Pepsi, right? I'm a Pepsi girl. So I thought this was so cute, and I grabbed it at Target. I think it said it's only at Target, and I'm real big on SPF and my foundation and my just like moisturizer for my skin. You need an SPF, I feel like, right? We're going out here in these elements, and SPF on my lips, right? So it's 30. It smelled just like cherry Pepsi. But yeah, that's all that's going on. I just wanted to say hey and happy Easter. I think I'm gonna see you guys on Sunday, right? I feel like, yeah, I probably will. But I'm gonna get ready to go catch my train. I'll see you soon. Bye.